A wise man once said, you should always try to make money when you sleep, or else you'll die working hard. That's where the new trend of passive income kicks in. Well, it's imperative that you know what suits your income strategy the best. There might be thousands of related adverts concerning this, but we'll list out the top 7 ways to earn passively. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you 7 ways to make passive income. You won't believe how easy these steps are. And that's why you need to stay till the very end of this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, comment below your favorite ways that you want to make passive income. The online world provides the leverage to earn massively by monetizing any skill. Not only this, but one also has the option to choose among various niches. There are various fields via which you can earn, such as investing, digital platforms, accrual, lending out, and so on. But because the present world is highly influenced by technological aspects, let's bring your notice to the very first way: peer-to-peer lending, or P2P. The simple concept of peer lending can become an effective way to earn money. The peer-to-peer lending process includes the receipt of loans from other individuals instead of financial institutions. In simple words, when you lend someone money, you can earn from this method. This process is also known as social lending or crowd lending, allows investors to earn which loans or mode they want to fund. The best part about this method is that it doesn't involve any middleman, especially financial institutions. That's why the approval process can be a bit more flexible than any traditional lender. This reduces paperwork and a lot of hard office work. To avoid the same, one will always come looking for such a lender. If you can be the one, you'll have a good leverage to charge decent interest, which can be highly profitable as well. This might be a bit too risky for a lot of us, but it's worth a shot. For those who want a simpler method, you can try out option 2, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is an advertising model in which a company compensates third-party publishers to generate traffic or leads to the company's products and services. This system of earning on a commission basis is something any individual can love. Firstly, you don't have to start working rigorously in order to generate income. People who already have a good social media reach or are highly active and can influence a good number of people can certainly make a good income from it. The best part about this type of earning is that there's absolutely no stop to which product, service, or brand you're providing. Because affiliate marketing is everywhere, literally, one can never roll out this option on the grounds of unavailability. Amazon, eBay, and so many online e-commerce or marketplaces have this facility. Affiliate marketing via links can become a long-term gig if you have the advantage of having a YouTube channel. For example, you can talk about beauty products on your YouTube channel. You can certainly add your affiliate links in the video description so that more people buy it. On big e-commerce platforms, the commissions are quite high. In case you're into websites, you can become an affiliate marketer for SEO sites and other marketing platforms. For the same reason, the image of being an online influencer comes in handy. Make sure to utilize every such opportunity when your social media is heavily persuasive. Dropshipping, the new business line. In recent years, the concept of dropshipping has become extremely popular with the enhancement of digital e-commerce platforms. You will only require to have a website or a platform to take and manage orders. Dropshipping business is amazing because the biggest hurdle for any business is to manage their inventory, and when it comes to trading goods, physical availability of yourself is always an issue. Via dropshipping, you can sell products even without having to create the stock of products or an inventory. The seller does not sell the products directly but contacts a manufacturer instead, who are responsible for the shipment of the products. On your website, when you get orders for some products, you in turn place an order for your client and the product gets delivered. In short, you're placing orders for another person and you earn from it. The brilliant strategy to earn passive income via this method with very little investment pushes you to become an entrepreneur and helps you start your own online business. There would be limited costs, and that's only for registering yourself as a seller on any platform or creating a website. Other than this, there isn't any operation or inventory cost because you have practically eliminated inventory from the picture. Do you have a skill or talent? Sell it as a course. If you have a hobby, interest, career, or business that you know a lot about, why not create a course and teach it to others? There are so many topics such as computers and technology, entrepreneurship, finance, graphic design, marketing, advertising, photography, music, content creation, health and well-being, and personal development. The list is endless. Create your own course and sell it online. People nowadays look forward to online courses more than their school curriculum. Courses can be a one-time investment because once it's created along with a pinch of strategic marketing, you can very well earn income with just one course. Make a series of videos of yourself speaking or record your voice together with a set of slides for a presentation. Upload the information to a learning management system or LMS, set pricing, and set out a newsletter, and you're done. You've developed content that can be sold in a passive manner. Offering your online courses through a well-known online learning platform like Udemy or Skillshare is the quickest method to get up and running. Use a software as a service product like Teachable or Kajabi as another alternative. Dividend stocks. Speaking of investing, the first thing that normally comes into the mind of people across the globe is to invest in the companies that have been performing well and are speculated to keep performing so in the times coming ahead. The kind of investment being referred to here is the investments made in the stock market. Now, what exactly are these? These are nothing but a way for the companies to share their profits with those who invest in them. This is perhaps a very good way of making an investment and ensuring that the company continues to gain enough funds in the long run. One thing that you need to keep in mind is to ensure that the money you invest in this market is well divided among different companies in the market. This ensures the safety of your money, as even if one company falls owing to their own internal reasons, you still have the other companies saving your fall as a whole. One way to make use of this is to use a financial advisor to help you invest your money into options such as mutual funds, guaranteed investment certificates, GICs, or bonds. Rented real estate. Real estate is a tried and tested way to increase your net worth long-term and has always increased as time has passed. This is a very good way to ensure that your property, irrespective of its total value of it, continues providing you returns over months and years. This is a good way to even make profits that could exceed the total amount that you may have invested in the property. This means that you nearly have a property for free with you, as you'd have received all of your investments in a couple of years. With your real estate investment that you rent out, you could get the monthly rental income, plus over the years, hopefully the value of the property appreciates in value while your tenants help pay down the loan or mortgage. One of the important elements here is to ensure that the investments you make are based on a good analysis of the rates prevalent in the market. In other words, you need to be sure of the venue where you make an investment. The location of this place is one of the major elements that make a change in the manner in which you make returns out of it. Things change over the years. This leads to massive growth in the value of property because of an establishment or the presence of a particular event around the said area. This increases the value of the land you owned and, consequently, the rent you can seek from your tenants. Ebooks. This is perhaps a very good way to make a return on the investments you make. As a matter of fact, the investment you make here is not monetary at all. The fact is that it is your skill working for you in the long term. A work that you may have completed over the years may now be sold numerous times, which could make a good return out of the investment you make. Creating your own book or ebook is another great way to do the work once and sell it many times over. Authors have done this for a long time and still receive royalty checks today for work they did years ago. Content marketing is perhaps one of the best ways to get started, assuming you have the skill to write and please your audience. With informative, educational, or entertainment content, you can monetize this. Some creators have different types of books they sell on Amazon, such as diaries, workout and diet journals, gratitude journals, coloring books, planners, notebooks, calendars, and much more. If you created an online course, why not repurpose that course into a book or ebook that you can also sell? You've already done the work, so repackaging your course content and selling to people that may not be into online courses can buy your book and help you make more passive income. With good research about the market in hand, the impact you can make in the minds of the readers is significant. As soon as you post your work, the returns on it with each download will continue to accumulate. This ensures a long-term gain out of something on which you may have worked upon a while ago. In essence, it is a way, depending on the quality and grasp you have on the market and depth to which your words may have crawled. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video insightful. Please hit the like, subscribe, and bell buttons. Also, comment below on your favorite method to earn passive income. Till then, keep earning.